Alrighty guys, you're gonna notice that the Genesis is not in the garage because it is actually in the shop getting a state inspection, wheel alignment, and also you want to check out the HIDs on those bad boys. See, this is the thing with HIDs. The Genesis has HIDs and they've already started yellowing, and that's the thing with HIDs. They always yellow after a certain point of time. I want to see what the Honda dealership does about it. I hope they change it out because I want those white. But nevertheless, let's get to this video. Hey guys, Go Kish here, making more videos again, and today guys, a lot of people wanted me to take a closer look at the security light that I had reviewed in my previous video. So without further ado, let's get to it. Alright, so I actually ended up getting another one of these bad boys because they were just so awesome. I installed one of them and it literally looks like a security camera when it's not, obviously, but still, it looked awesome. The light was extremely bright, and you guys are right, you want to see how this actually looks at night. So I got another one. Let's unbox it. Another thing also guys, I know a lot of people on my channel have given me generous offers for my Genesis. I'm gonna just say the Genesis is not for sale yet, okay? I know a lot of people know that I'm going to be trading it out for the R8 in the near future. Hopefully soon, we'll see. But the Genesis is not for sale yet. But I will let you know when it is for sale, and I will let you know when I'm ready to pick up the R8. As of right now, we're going to take a look at the solar power security light. Oh man, okay, let me put this out. You have some literature in here. Let's put that down to the side, and also obviously some mounting screws. Now when I mounted this, I didn't actually use these screws, but you can definitely use these because they're good enough. Let's put the box out to the side. It's an empty box. All right, now this thing actually has two different parts, okay? Like I said in the last video, it has two different parts to it. The actual part where the light comes from and the solar panel. Now they're already connected. This is a rather simple device. All it is an on and off button on the back right here. So you turn it on, and whenever there's no light, like right now, I'm gonna put it to the sunlight, you can see it turns off. But then when I covered the solar panel up, you can see it turns on, and it's rather bright, guys. I gotta say, you can see it turn off and turn on. It automatically turns on at night. That's what I like. I love solar power bulbs, guys. They just turn on at night. They turn off when it starts getting brighter. They charge. They do everything automatically, and you never have to worry about it. And the best part about this guy is that it's a dim light, and then when someone walks by, it turns on really bright, kind of like an awesome looking security camera. So really neat product. Now there's two different ways to actually mount this guy. You can mount this to the wall and have this, you know, pointing down like that, like a security light, and have this mount separate as well at a higher spot or whatever, because it has this long cable. Or you can actually mount this guy to this, have this just facing up like that to the sunlight, and bam, you have this. Now in my case, I did mount the bad boy like this because I did not need to separate these two, but you can do it definitely whatever way you like. You guys already know I do a lot of solar power LEDs, and in terms of solar power LEDs, this is definitely one of my favorites. So now what I'm gonna do is actually take you to the backyard, let it get dark, and I want to show you how bright these things are. In terms of free electricity, in terms of just a set it and forget it device, these things are awesome, guys. So let's go take it to my backyard, let it get dark like I said, and let's see how bright these things actually are. So without further ado, let's get to it.
Alrighty guys, we are out here in my backyard, and it's so dark out here that you can't even see my hand or anything. It is really dark out here, guys, and the camera can barely pick up anything. However, let me just turn on these lights and look how bright it's gonna be. I'm just gonna turn it on right now. You can hear the click. Oh my god, the light is already on, and I'm covering it right now, and let me just point it to the floor and the grass. Look at that. Look how insanely bright that is, guys. I'm not kidding you when I say that these are super bright. I mean, I don't want to point it to the camera because look how insanely bright that is. That's insane. Look at this, guys. It's like an insane spotlight. Look how far that fence is down there, and look how much light is actually coming out of this bad boy. That's what I want to see, you know what I mean? Look, you can see the flowers, you can see everything. It's insane, the amount of light on this guy. And also remember, this is coming out from this solar powered light right here, guys. Solar powered. This is free electricity, guys. Remember remember that. Just put that in your mind, free electricity, and then just remember how bright this is. It's a beautiful spotlight, just gets entire areas amazing, guys. Look at this, absolutely love it. You can see I'm just shining this like crazy. I didn't want to put it in my eyes because it really is blinding, but yeah, like I said, this is awesome. The links, I'll leave it in the description section of the video below. You guys already know it. This thing is so bright. I'm gonna put it one more time on the camera. You can see how insane that is. I didn't even put it all the way in the camera because like the focus will get all out and it will just look horrible. But yeah, this is free electricity right here, guys. So this will turn on full brightness whenever someone comes on, and if I just stop here for 20 seconds and do nothing, it will go into dim mode. So I'm gonna fast forward this right now. This is dim mode right here. Dim mode is not really meant to actually show the light on the floor, which is a good thing because I don't want this thing so bright all the time. I just want it bright when someone walks past it, but I do want the dim mode on so people can know there's something there watching them. So as you can see, this is dim mode right here. I moved the camera in front and it, turned on. But you see, I don't want dim mode to be bright at all. I want it to be completely almost off because I don't want to disturb neighbors and stuff. This is a really bright light. But if someone is in my backyard and not supposed to be in my backyard, bam, this thing turns on and just shows. And then you're looking at this thing. You don't even know what that is. There might be a camera, a security light, whatever. It's bright. It gets the job done. I'm loving this, guys. Absolutely loving this. And this is why I got a second one. And I know you will love it.
Alright guys, that's pretty much it for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Links to purchase this bad boy is gonna be in the description below from Suntoll. This thing is really awesome. It's one of my favorite LED, solar power LED bulbs, and I'm a big supporter for solar power LEDs, guys, because they're just a set it and forget it device. You never have to turn them on, you have to turn it off. You don't have to ever worry about it. You don't have to pay electricity on this, and it just produces awesome light. And this one is shaped like a security camera, so that's why I absolutely love it. I'll leave these links in the description section below, guys. What do you guys think about this? If you have any comments or questions, please leave it in the description section below. I want to hear them. I'm absolutely loving this, and I know you will love it. But there should be a subscribe button and also a video button popping right here. Make sure you click on for more videos in the future. Other than that, guys, keep just here saying thanks for watching and peace.